Today we're diving into how to make a younger woman miss you badly, even when you're not around. It's about creating those memorable moments and connections that stick with her. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to keep her thinking about you long after you've parted ways, ready to become unforgettable in her eyes. Let's jump right in. One, unexpected compliments. As an older man, your life experience gives you a unique perspective on what's genuinely commendable. When you compliment her, choose something not used to hearing. Maybe it's her insightful nature, her ability to make you see things differently, or her genuine kindness. These aren't your everyday compliments, they're observations only. Someone with your depth would notice every time she thinks of these words. She'll think of you, the man who sees her true essence. To showcase your talents. You've got skills and talents honed over years. Maybe it's your culinary skills, your knack for fixing things, your storytelling, or your knowledge of fine wine. Let her witness these skills. It's not just about impressing her, it's about showing her a side of life she might not have experienced yet. When you're not around, she'll remember these moments, associating you with these unique experiences. 3. Send a good morning text. Morning text. A simple good morning text might seem trivial, but it holds weight coming from you. It shows her you're thinking of her first thing in the morning. But here's where your wisdom comes in. Make your messages more meaningful. A quote, a hopeful thought for the day, or a looking forward to seeing you adds a layer of warmth and thoughtfulness. She starts her day with you on her mind, wondering what wisdom or joy you'll bring next. 4. Share a playlist. Music bridges generations by sharing a playlist with her, especially one that includes songs from your era mixed with those you know she loves. You're inviting her into your world. She'll listen to it and think about the stories or memories you've shared about those songs. It's an intimate gesture, a way to stay present in her thoughts through melodies and lyrics that echo your shared moments. 5. Recommend a book, movie. As an older man, you have a wealth of knowledge and experience, including an array of books and movies that have influenced you over the years. Recommend her a book or a movie that holds a special place in your heart. Perhaps it's a classic film that's enriched your perspective, or a novel that stayed with you through the years. When she dives into these stories, she's entering a world you cherish, and she'll think of you with every page turned or scene unfolded. It's a way of sharing a part of your inner world, making her feel connected to you even in your absence. 6. Be enthusiastically supportive. Your support carries weight because of the wisdom and life experience behind it. When you show genuine enthusiasm and support for her goals and dreams, it resonates deeply. She'll come to miss that encouragement the way you believe in her and bolster her confidence. Your support isn't just words. It's a guiding force, making your absence felt when she needs that boost of encouragement. 7. Plan a thoughtful outing. Take the time to plan an outing that aligns with her interests. It could be something as simple as a visit to an Arctic exhibit, a hike through a scenic trail, or a night at a jazz club. The key here is the thoughtfulness behind the plan. It shows that you don't just see her as a young woman to date, but as a person whose interests and preferences matter to you. This kind of personalized attention is something she'll yearn for when you're not together. Remembering the unique experiences you've shared. 8. Be a little mysterious. Despite the age difference, maintain a sense of mystery. You don't need to lay all your cards out on the table. Immediately be open about your life and experiences, but leave some stories untold, some anecdotes for later. This approach keeps her intrigued and wanting to know more about you. It's the little unsaid things, the gradual unraveling of your life stories over time, that will keep her thinking about you. 9. Leave her laughing. One of your most powerful tools, as an older man, is your breadth of experiences, often accompanied by a treasure trove of humorous stories and witty observations. When you're with her, make her laugh. Use your unique sense of humor to create joyful moments. A younger woman will often find your perspective and life anecdotes refreshing, and amusing. Laughter is not just a momentary pleasure. It creates memories. When your personal stories not around, she'll find herself replaying those moments of laughter in her mind, craving the lighthearted joy you bring into her life. 10. Share personal stories. Your life experiences are a gateway to a world she might not have explored. By sharing personal stories, especially those filled with lessons, adventure, and wisdom, You give her a glimpse into your life journey. Two stories that are meaningful and have shaped you. These stories link in her thoughts, creating a depth to your character that she is continually curious about. It's in these moments of storytelling that she gains a deeper understanding of who you are, making her yearn for more time with you to unravel the layers of your life. 11. Deep conversations. Occasional deep conversations, while laughter and lighthearted moments are essential balance. Them with deep and meaningful conversations. Talk about your views on life, love, and the lessons you've learned. Discuss topics that evoke emotion and thought. These are the conversations that resonate deeply with a person for a younger woman. Such exchanges with an older man can be eye-opening and profoundly moving. They are. The conversations she'll find herself pondering over during quiet moments, missing the intellectual and emotional connection you offer. 12. Be spontaneous. Be spontaneous when you're with her occasionally. Throw in a surprise, maybe a sudden decision to try a new restaurant or a quick detour to a scenic spot. As an older man, this shows that you're not just stuck in your ways, but are adaptable and enjoy the thrill of the unexpected. These spontaneous moments break the routine, creating memories that are vivid and cherished. They become the stories she tells her friends, and the moments she reminisces about, making her miss the excitement and unpredictability you bring to her life. 13. Share your favorite. Share your favorite hobby. Introduce her to a hobby that's close to your heart. This could be anything from vintage car restoration, photography, gardening, to chess. Sharing your hobby does more than just teach her a new skill. It invites her into your world. It shows her what you're passionate about and offers insight into what drives and interests you. When you're not around, the hobby serves as a reminder of you and the time spent together, possibly leading her to miss your company and guidance. 14. Offer a thoughtful gesture. Never underestimate the power of small, thoughtful acts. Something as simple as bringing her favorite coffee or a book you think she'd enjoy speaks volumes. It shows that you listen and that you care about bringing joy to her day. These little gestures, while seemingly insignificant, accumulate into a powerful sentiment. They remind her of your care and attention when you're not there, making her miss the warmth and thoughtfulness of your presence. 15. Take interest in her. Take interest in her hobbies. Hobbies. Dive into the world of her hobbies. Whether she's into modern art, hiking, or blogging, show genuine interest, ask questions. Maybe join her in these activities as an older man. This not only bridges the generational gap, but also shows that you value her passions and are willing to be a part of them when you're not around. She'll miss the way you engaged with her interests, the unique conversations you had, and the shared experiences in her favorite activities. 16. Remember important details. Pay attention to the little things she tells you. Her favorite coffee, the name of her first pet, or a story from her. She tells you her favorite coffee childhood. Mention these details in future conversations. It's a subtle yet powerful way to show that you listen and care about her life. This thoughtfulness will resonate with her, making her miss the depth and attentiveness you bring to your interactions. Remember, in a world where everyone is heard but rarely listened to, being someone who listens leaves a lasting impression. 17. Light touches. If the moment feels right and she's comfortable, incorporate light, respectful touches into your interaction. A gentle touch on the arm while laughing at a joke, or a brief reassuring pat on the back. These small gestures can forge a deeper physical connection. The warmth and comfort of these moments, subtle as they maybe, often linger in memory. They become the sensations she yearns for when thinking of you, longing for the wish her good night comfort and connection they bring. 18. Wish her good night. End each day with a simple, sweet goodnight message. This gesture may seem small, but it holds great weight. It's a reassurance that she's on your mind at the day's end, a signal that you care for her. It's the last thing she reads before drifting into sleep, planting thoughts of you in her mind in those quiet moments. It's a reminder of your presence in her life, making her feel cherished and bringing a sense of closeness that she'll miss every night you're not together, now that you know how to stay on her mind. Explore more. Learn about the masculine qualities younger women love, or dive into the signs she's thinking about you sexually. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.